Hey everybody, this is Shrikant. So guys, in this video I have explained you how to hide your files in your PC without using any kind of software. So guys, here I have followed two approaches. The first approach is a normal PC settings which I'm going to do to hide my files. And in the second approach, I'm going to use command line prompt which is mostly secured. So guys, watch the video till then so that you can get a good understanding on the process or the steps I'm going to follow. And also guys, this video comes under a playlist which is Tech in Windows. So if you want to watch the videos under this playlist, so go to the channel playlist and watch the videos. So let's get started. Guys, this is the best and easiest way to hide your files in your Windows. So let's see how I'm gonna hide my files. So first of all, I'm going to my PC. So after going to my PC, I'm gonna select any of the folder to hide. Okay, let's take these images. So in these images, I'm gonna hide this anime folder. So let's see any of the subfolders are there or not. So in this anime, you can see these subfolders. So in this subfolder, you can see all these images. So I'm gonna hide this complete folder. Just right click on the folder. After right clicking, just go to properties. After going to properties, on the top you can see general. In the general option, you can see an option called hidden. Just tick it. Okay, after that, just click apply. Next, click OK. Click OK. So now your folder is hidden. Okay, sorry, it's not completely hidden. So what you're going to do? So go to the search bar, just press hidden or setting. Okay, I'm gonna type hidden, HIDDEN. Okay, hidden. So you can see a folder here, show hidden files and folders. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you can see this tab. So here you can see a option called don't show hidden files, folders or drives. Show hidden files, folders and drives. Just click on don't show hidden files and drives. Next, click apply. Okay, so now your folder is completely hidden. So how are you going to bring it back? It's the reverse process. So what you did is, here just click the hidden option, the same HIDDEN. So after clicking on this, you can see this. Just click it. After clicking, the same thing you have to do. Here you have to do show hidden files, folders and drives. Next, click apply. Okay, so now your folder is back. So but it is temporarily back. So what you're going to do is just bring it back completely. So just right click on the folder. Now go to properties. After going to properties, just untick it. Next, click apply. Okay, now your folder is completely back. Guys, for hiding this anime folder completely, what you did means we went to the search bar and typed hidden. So hidden in the sense, it's a shortcut and easiest way to go to the pop-up window. So you can see this pop-up window. So but the thing is, either we can go with this hidden option or else we can go with the settings. So for now we'll go with settings. So now I'm going to open this settings tab. So here you can see an option called update and security. Just click on it. After clicking, you can see an option called for developers. So scroll it down. After scrolling, you can see an option called file explorer. So just click on show settings option. So this is the same what you did earlier. So this is how it will work, guys. Guys, this is the best and easiest way to secure your folders completely. Why I'm telling? Because in the first method there are some major drawbacks. So I'm gonna show you what are all the drawbacks by getting to the same process. So I'm gonna hide this anime folder. Now the folder is temporarily hidden. So this is a major drawback. So how it's going to be a drawback? So let's see. So for hiding this folder completely, we went to the search bar and typed hidden. Don't show hidden files and folders. Apply. Okay. Now your folder is completely hidden. So why I'm telling it's a drawback? Because now your friend comes and he went to the file explorer and he want to get your personals. How you're going to do? Like how you're going to secure your folder? So what he will do, he will go to the search bar and type hidden. Okay, now he press this show hidden files and folders. Now your folder will appear. So this is a major drawback. But in second method, so it's not a drawback. In second method is the best way. Why? Because it will help the folder to permanently disappear. Okay, let's see how it is done. In the search bar, type run, RUN, enter, type CMD. Okay, so now this tab will appear here. Now go to the file explorer, the folder which you're going to hide. Which folder you're going to hide? I'll take these files. Okay, before we'll go to the search bar and type hidden. Okay, it's there. It's show hidden files and folders. So no need of any changes. I'm gonna hide this document folder. What I'm going to do means simple. So I have said you to remember two things. For hiding a folder, you should remember ATTRIB. Attrib plus S plus H. Okay, double quotation. Okay, this thing you have to remember. Okay, it's simple. Just drag the folder and put it here. Put these double quotations. Okay, now type enter. Just see here, now your folder is hidden. Refresh. Now your folder is completely hidden. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to the search bar and I'll type hidden and I'll press show. It's show hidden files and folders. Even if it is there in this option, it's not visible. Okay, these are your hiding your folders. Okay, and one more thing is, like if you forgot your file directory, so this is a file directory. So if you forgot this thing, you won't get it back, you won't get your folder back. So please just copy this thing and paste it in some Word document or else note it down. Okay, if you want to bring this folder back, what I'm going to do means, I'm gonna type ATTRIB attrib minus S minus H double quotation. Now I'm gonna copy this. Okay, now I'm gonna press enter. So your folder is back. So these are you're going to hide your folders. Okay, this is the best way to secure your folder, guys. Please make use of this thing. Like if you're having some folder which are valuable to you, just make use of this CMD option, like CMD method, to hide the folder. Thank you.